Page.
Page.
Page. Page. The book page. Page. No.
It's something like a emergency coded transmission device thing.
Pager. The device pager. You're asking me what it is?
Pager. Okay.
The device pager, yeah.
You know that?
Yeah, the old school device.
I did have it many years ago. Back then, when you don't have mobile phones.
Pager. I don't know what it is, but maybe I know page in the book page. And you are the one who flip up the page, so you are the pager.
The pager was a wireless device, so this device will then pick up some messages. Usually it's used by managers who are tracking some information, like for example, foreign exchange dealers.
A pager, I know a pager very well, yes. Used to carry one. It used to go beep beep, and that meant you had to call the office.
There are two parts in pager. One is the one that connects the person, that's used 20 years ago. Nobody uses a pager now. But the other one is for heart patient. Pagers. They carry pages. Oh no, they don't carry pages, they carry paces. Oh sorry, wrong product.